Hey guys, well, this is number 29 Batwing collection. You've seen in the other video, first mother of pearl in black, mother of pearl. This one is one of one with the Dagger Grind. Beautiful colors. Custom built by Renzo Poscotto and Lucio. Both came with certificates. Fire is very, very hard. Literally rocks your hand. 13-inch switchblades tend to do that. Really pretty colors on the scales. Really want to thank Lucio and I want to thank Renzo for helping me make this possible, because I never thought it would be. I believe there's a micarta backing to this, but I can't see it very well. It's just done so well. Genuine mother of pearl, nickel silver bolsters, Renzo Poscotto Tang Stamp, and that equals the pair in black mother of pearl. It's number 28, this is number 29. You can freeze this and read this yourself. Certificates mean as much to me as the knives themselves. These are hand signed by two of the most skilled craftsmen in Italy and really in the world when it comes to switchblades. They have a love for these switchblades and a passion for building them. And they're masters of their craft, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Keep collecting. And later on, the Batwing Swinguards, 13 inches long, number 28, number 29, and the Batwing Swinguard collection. Later on, guys.